All right, you'd be surprised, but I actually get this request a lot where someone from LinkedIn or Indeed reaches out and they'll say, "Hey, this looks really great. Would you be willing to give us a, no obligation demo of some of your products?" And I'm always thrilled when I hear that. And many occasions, I actually get paid for doing a demonstration. But in this case, I'd really like to give you guys just a quick demo of perhaps just one of the products that fall underneath the Illy Robotic Instruments ecosystem. All right. So perhaps since I know just a little bit about your business, I know that you guys are in the print and marketing space. Um, I have vast experience in the digital asset print and marketing space. As one of my first professional careers was with a company called Williams Lee, which is now known as Tag. They are a UK based outsourcing firm who specializes in end to end, marketing, printing, posters, and just about everything in between DAM or digital asset management, if you will. And I haven't actually built a custom app that I can show you guys that would really wow you, but you should know that I have vast experience within that space, as well as familiarities within some of the automation tools and some of the new cutting edge technologies that are being used in this space for not only marketing but also for the production and creation of some of the designs. So perhaps, and I'm just letting my little chevrons here shuffle through. What I would like to show you is something that is probably has nothing to do with digital marketing, but I'd like to show you anyway. So this is something called the Scripto Bank, and this right now is my largest application to date. So it's used by about 100,000 or so Discord users daily on average, and that's split up between about I would say about 500 to 600 servers. And as you can see there, this is just showing some statistics in the ticker. And these statistics are only for my instance of Descripto Bank. And so if you are, say, like an Aiden Ross or someone who's like a very big content creator and you have lots of friends and they're all on Discord, you could imagine the numbers would be far, far higher. But I'll quickly just kind of give you guys a quick demo of what it is and just kind of explain to you why I created it. So this Discord, as you guys may be aware of, is a place where members get together and they can create their own communities. Many of these communities are built around the premise of supporting content creators and independent content creators. And in that, there are you'll grow your audience and you'll have lots and lots of Discord members within your server if you're running a healthy Discord server. Some of the things that they do to sort of promote their Discord server is they run events and games. And what I've created here is an event manager that allows Discord server owners and beyond, because this also works for Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, etc. Any place where you're posting something that can be interactive and can be used with others, X. But for right now, it's just running on Discord. And essentially, what happens is this is an event manager that allows the server owners to create an event and post a prize pool for that particular event, and several members will join to just to be a part of that event and to be a part of the prize pool. And based on who the winner is, there's an automatic payout that happens, and this all happens via Solana, and the backend network is powered by Solana Crypto. All right. So this is really good for event engagement and monetization for content creators. But in addition to that, I also have built in a pot split mechanism as well, which essentially allows each user to put their own money in. And say, for example, let's say we have 5 friends or 10 friends that are all together. Or in the example that you see here on the screen, we have 20 players, each putting in $5 into the pot, which becomes like an escrow pot that's saved in Solana in the backend, and they all join the game. And the winners of the game, and I say winners because it actually splits it. So if two people pick the same horse, or yeah, I think that would be the only example because right now we have blackjack, we have 21, and poker. And so typically there's only one man left standing in those games. But if you were doing like an event such as like horse race, which is a very popular event that I'll show you guys here shortly, essentially the payout would go to whoever picked the correct horses. And in any event, you as the house, because you hosted the game, you get 10%. And so if the pot were $100, $10 goes to you, even if you actually don't win the horse rent event. And this is all a very, very secure system. Here's some more examples, just kind of showing you guys what pot split and how that works for coin flip, which is another one of our games. So very, very cool stuff here, guys. And kind of walk through the process of how to add your private key, how to add your user wallet, and all this stuff is very, very much so encrypted. And we kind of walk through the encrypted schematic and diagram here just to kind of explain how that works. So I hope this serves as a good example, as just one of the various products underneath the Illy Robotic Instruments ecosystem. I would really enjoy the pleasure of setting up a meeting with Dope Marketing to see if we can collaborate, or to see if perhaps I can be brought on board to help grow Dope Marketing in any place necessary. So thank you so much for your time today. And again, my name was DeMarcus Wilson. I look forward to speaking with you, or perhaps even a follow-up. Thank you.